Most people overcook red mullet. Let me show you how to do it. A bit of vegetal oil. I will put very little, but make sure you have a very good anti-adhesive pan for the skin to not stick on the bottom. So now I take my red mullet fillet. I will put very little salt only on the flesh parts, very little. Then after, I will take the fillet that I will put in the pan. The pan needs to be medium low heat. You don't need to hear frying at the beginning. We're gonna push the temperature. If you sear too quick at the beginning, the skin will curl up. What is important is to put the fish directly, take a bit of oil, and after look that the skin doesn't curl up too much. I put the second fillet. Now I will just wait for the skin to go down before to higher the heat on it. If you want, you can take also a spatula to press very little on the flesh to be sure that you will have a perfect crispy skin everywhere. Now you can see the fillets are very flat on the pan, so I will higher the temperature to bring some crispiness on the skin. So while it's cooking, now you see with a good temperature, you know, it's frying very well. I can start to see the flesh that is changing color. Don't flip too early. What is important is to have the skin very crispy and the flesh still very runny. You know, like this, it will keep all the moisture of the fish. So now I have the perfect crispy skin. You know, I can see it start to make beautiful orange coloration. So now I will flip it. As soon as you flip it, you switch off the pan. This is the best way to do it. To keep all the flavor of my red mullet, I like to serve it with something very simple. I have prepared a tomato salad with a bit of basil, a bit of rock salt and black pepper that I will put on the bottom of my plate. Now the red mullet have finished perfectly to cook. The skin is very crispy. I will just put on top of the tomato. After, I will finish with a bit of molten salt. Perfectly seared red mullet fish. Time to eat.